Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together. Hi, today I'm going to share a knitting pattern, and I have already added the whole details about the knitting pattern. So this pattern is pretty easy. It looks like a net, so you can make a sweater or anything. So this pattern, the first starts from the right side, and I have done quite a bit. So first you just slip one, and after that you're gonna have to bring the thread around. It's like yarn over, and then you do 2 pearls. So that's your first row. Just slip one. It's very easy, but looks really nice. The net looks really nice, so you can make it like a blouse or cardigan or shawl for the fall. So now we're just gonna yarn over. First slip one and then yarn over, and then take 2 cast on stitches and do pearl. And so remember, this is the right side, it begins from the right side. So again yarn over, and I have done 2 inches at the bottom before I begin, so I have 2 inches. So here again 2 cast on stitches and do a pearl. So make out of those 2 make 1, and now I'm going to do yarn over, and then take 2 cast on stitches making 1. But remember, even though you're making 1, you have a yarn over, so that's the second one, and that's how the net is created. So again yarn over, and here I have 22 stitches. You can take depending on what you're making. So again yarn over and 2 cast on pearl stitches, and then again yarn over and take 2. So whatever cast on stitches you take, you have to take 1 or 2 extra. So if you take 10, you have to take 11 1 extra. If you take 20, then you have to take 2 extras, because you want to do 1 slip at the bottom and 1 slip at the end. So here yarn over and 2 pearl stitches, and now here you see I didn't have anything in the end, but when you go to the 3rd line, you'll see there was another one at the end which you'll do pearl. So now the next side, which is the wrong side, which is originally the side for the pearl, you're gonna do 1 slip over, 1 stitch slip over. Now you're gonna do the yarn, bring it forward, and then you do all pearl stitches, all of them pearl stitches. See this long thread, this is the one the previously we did the yarn over. That's gonna be a long thread, but we're gonna do that as a pearl stitch too. So that one is going to be another that will become another cast on stitches. So here the long ones, just do the pearl, and we're gonna continue this till the end, all of the 21 cast on stitches. We have 21 because we slip 1, so slip 1 and then 21 of them the pearl, which, well, in your case might be different depending on how many cast on stitches you have, but that's the pattern. It's very easy. So continue doing all the purl stitches until the entire row ends. It's the last one. Okay, now we're gonna do, this is the third row. Now third row, what we're gonna do is, third row is just like the first row except a little bit of change. And what change you're gonna do for the third row is, first one gonna be as usual, slip the stitch, custom stitches, slip over one, and now bring the thread in the front and do one purl. Okay, now you bring the yarn over and do 2 custom stitches as purl stitches, and then continue this till the end until you have your one left. Hopefully, sometimes I see one left, sometimes I see nothing left, all depends. So now we're gonna bring yarn over and 2 purl stitches. So now again yarn over and 2 purl stitches. This is basically gonna be a net, okay? So it's like a net design. It's good for making a cardigan or a shawl or a frock or anything else that you like. So now yarn over and 2 custom stitches turn on to 1 purl. So again yarn over and make another purl with 2 custom stitches, yarn over, 2 custom stitches to a purl stitch, again yarn over, 2 custom stitches to a purl stitch. But there's nothing left, but in case if there's one left, then you're gonna do a purl. But I don't know, with me there's nothing left, and sometimes there's one left, so I don't know, something missing in the calculation. But anyway, now we're gonna do 1 slip over, and then we're gonna bring the thread in the front and do all purls, all the purls. So that's your 4th row. So that's a design for 4 rows, and you can take any amount of custom stitches depending on what you're making. So if you take 10, then you're going to take 11, one extra. If you take 20, you're going to take 22 because 2 extra. If you take 30, you're going to take 33, 3 extra. So it's just add 1 to it. So then you'll see that you have the last one left. This is the 4th row, all custom stitches after you do the first slip over. Slip stitch that first one, then gonna do all custom. So basically we're doing purl both the side, but one with 2 custom stitches and yarn over, and then other one is just purl stitches on the wrong side. So that's it. That was your design, and it's very easy, but yet looks lovely, all the nets. So this is the net design. Okay, hope you like it and try it. It's fun. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.